How to redeem Amazon gift cards in Amazon app. What is up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through a step-by-step process on how you can easily redeem your Amazon gift card on your Amazon app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you have a gift card in hand and want to redeem it on your account so that you can spend it on yourself, or if you just want to gift it to someone and they're not sure how they can redeem it, you can help them out as well. So once you add your gift card to your account, those funds will be added to your account, which you can then spend in app and while you check out with your products. Now, once you log into your Amazon app, on the bottom, you will see different navigation icons, your menu, your profile, your cart. Now you just have to tap on the hamburger menu right here, and here you will see different categories like Prime, Gift and Registry, Deals and Saving, Groceries and Stores, and many more. You just have to tap on Gift and Registry. Now from here, the first option you will see is the gift cards. So just tap on gift cards and you will be taken to this page right here. You have an option to buy different gift cards of different values. Now, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of these page, you'll have an option to redeem Amazon gift cards. You can just tap on it. And here you can just simply enter your claim code that is on the backs of your gift card. Just enter the code and make sure that the code is valid. Now you can just tap on apply to your balance and it will be applied to your current balance on your Amazon app. You can also scan to claim your code. So you can just scan the card, allow your camera access and scan the card. It will automatically read out your code and the balance will be added to your account. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.